Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to the railway. We've progressed a little bit further from last week. I have now basically fixed all the track down and installed all 8 point motors. However, none of these are yet wired up to the point controller. I've got a little DB class, or class DB 151 running around at the moment. I've brought all the wires for the point controllers underneath the baseboard, which are here, and these will all need extending, so that's going to be in next week's video. The track at the moment is just being fed from a spare piece of track that's not fixed down, just at that end, and it all seems to be running quite well. So far so good. Do a close up of the loco. So it all seems to run very smooth, but that's it. I've basically tacked them all down, drove the pins in with a hammer just a short way, and then used a centre punch to drive them down, and that's basically it. I know we've not really accomplished a lot really, but I have ordered a reverse loop module for which is going to be a bit of a station in the middle. I've ordered a lens one, LK200 it is, and I believe the LK200 replaced the LK100, but so far so good, very pleased. Next week, like I say, I'm going to be extending the point motor wires and installing the point decoder and getting all that working with the Z21. So that's it for now, just a short video just to let you know where we're up to, and I'll catch you all next time. I hope you're all well, and I'll catch you all next time. Take care everybody, bye.